Hello guys, do you know you can make money online with this website called Articlick? I'm so excited to be here. For my new users who don't really know my name is Agabe Philip. I do most of my videos on programming, but recently I come across something which I'm trying to educate people about. They're thinking that most of the guys who come online and who might have come across videos who are actually about making money online, they think it's not actually possible to make the money online. But it's possible to make the money online, but you must also be willing to do something in order to make this money. What do I mean by that? You must pay attention to certain detail. You don't just come across certain things and then you ignore them. You tend to redefine them as being scam. No, 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 no. Making money online is real, my bro. It's real. You can make thousands of dollars online in a day, but you yourself, you must be willing to make sure that you do the right thing. How can you do the right thing without paying attention to detail? Please go down to my YouTube channel and in the comment section below, drop your comment. Let me know your challenges and how you want to make money online, and let me know what has been your challenges. Let me know the country you're also coming from, because some of these websites they actually have restriction. So if you're in Nigeria, this website is actually worldwide. If you're in US, this website is also worldwide. It's called Articlick. And don't just go to articly.com and think you will make this money. Please, there's a link below my YouTube channel. Make sure you click on that link to for you to be able to make this money. For you to be able to make this money is actually easy, but please listen to what I have to say in a short while. Okay, when you come to this when you come to this website now, you discover that I have logged in already, but you discover that you have earn money, contests, advert, forum. This earn money, this is where you're actually going to earn the money. When you click on the earn money now, it's actually going to open a page for you, and then you see where you're actually going to click on the advert, and then you start making the money. Okay, if you look at this one now, this earn money view advertisement. When you click on this very one here now, this view advertisement to view advertisement, when you click on it now, you discover that it will open a lot of adverts that will be given to you on daily basis, and then you start making the money. Okay, but since you are a new user, I advise you to click on register. Yes, when you click on the register, this is the registration form. So far all about, you see that your name, you can actually add your name here. You can add email, you can confirm the email, your birth year, and then the image verification, which is this very image here. You can click, you are not a robot. Yeah, you are not a robot. To click on it, you are not a robot. Then you agree with the terms and condition. You click on the place of birth. You also choose the password, and this is actually going to be your username. Please, if you're actually going to fill in this form, make sure that this very username is somehow connected to maybe the wallet you may want to transfer your money to later on. It could be PayPal. Yeah, it could be PayPal, because actually this very website, you don't do transfer direct to your bank account. You can either receive your payment from your PayPal, your free Bitcoin account, and some other wallet like that. You can make money like the free coin. Yeah, the free coin wallet. The yeah, some most of the wallets that we are using this day, like electronic wallet, you can also use it to transfer this money to electronic wallet. But if you finish this form, just you click on register. When you register, you receive a confirmation message from your email. You go there and you activate your account. Once you activate your account, you can actually log in. But for me, I have yeah, as for me, I have an account already with this website. So if you look at my dashboard here now, you discover that my account balance is about $0.1957, and then the purchase balance is 0.00, and then the already received, I have not received so far because I've just started. Also, I have about 0.00, and then the available point is about 153.00, and the account, I have not upgraded the account is free. It's a free account. And then if you know, if you can look at it now, I don't really have a survey right now because I'm working on. Okay, if you go down here now, All right. I was being interrupted by a phone call, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, back to what we are saying. If you look at this now, I have about 0.19 Yes, it's dollars. And then if you look at your my clicks now, they are just 123 clicks. My referral earnings is about 0.0040, and then the referral clicks is just 8. Yes, they are just 8. And then I have about the rented is just 0 slash 150, and then the country of course is Nigeria, and the membership is standard. Okay, let's go to the very place now, which is called the context. People are actually making a huge amount of money with this very one. This called context. This one is called relatively. You can also make money, which is the hold. You can make money with surveys, which is about $10 plus. You can make money with these profit shares, which is about 140%. And then there's another one called advertise. You can also advertise a lot of things in here. And then the basic one that I actually make money with is this very one here, which is called the earn money. When you click on that earn money, you come to this view advertisement. If you are new, if you just register, the first place you are actually coming is you are coming to this earn money. When you find yourself to this dashboard, you come to this earn money. So when you see that earn money, you click on this view advertisement. You wait for a while, it will load. All right. So when you click on that now, it's actually going to bring you here. When it bring you here now, you look at it now, you have an N 0.001 for clicking on this and then staying there for 7 seconds. So let's try and look at what will actually happen in there. Okay, if you look at this now, say please wait, it's actually loading. It will load, and every this progress bar here will turn to green. All right, let's wait for a second now. You see that it will load. Okay, if you look at it now, it's actually loading. So wait for some time. It will load from this very beginning to the end, and then we'll be asked to do something. Yeah, it's progressing. If you look at it now, it's actually saying click the upside down picture. And if you look at these very ones here now, look at these ones now. They are actually unique. They are not upside down. It's only this one that is actually upside down. So we need to click on that one. Wait for a while, and then you say thank you for watching, you have been credited. Click on close it, and then you go back to another one and click on this one until you exhaust this very ads that you're actually seeing in here. And immediately you do that, you discover that the money has actually changed. It's no longer that 0.15 0.1958. It was 0.1958, but now it has changed 0.1959. All right, so that is it. Please, before we go down to the video below and you see a link, click on it, sign up on this very website here and start making the money. If you sign up without this, if you sign out without clicking on that link, it's actually going to give you a little tough time. Sign up with our link and drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your challenges in the course of trying to register on this website. Thank you and remain blessed. Stay safe. I love you guys all. I love my listeners, love my audience all. You guys should take time and then pay attention to this video. Take time and do other research so that you can also start something. It's not good to sit down there. Start something today so that I can make the money. Thank you all. I remain blessed and stay tuned to the upcoming videos that I have in mind to do. Basically, this YouTube channel is all about programming, but I have taken a little time. Very soon I'll close this tutorial and I'll be going back to the programming aspect. Thank you and God bless you.